Yeah, hello everyone, good morning. Myself Muralidhara Reddy. I'm a DevOps consultant and solution architect. I have published the Kubernetes package manager tool Helm 0 to Hero series. See, majority of the organizations are using Helm and they are deploying application using Helm in Kubernetes. So majority of the interviewers also asking, expecting whether you are having experience or not this particular Helm. So without knowing this Helm, right, very difficult to hire you. So because of that one, I have prepared the Helm 0 to Hero series. So in this particular Helm 0 to Hero series, I have covered everything from scratch for both Helm 2 and Helm 3 versions because majority of the organizations are using Helm 2 and Helm 3 both versions. So in case if they ask question related to both Helm 2 and Helm 3, you can easy to explain and you can easy to tell them. Okay. Fine, right? So here in this particular Helm 0 to Hero series, we can see what are the topics we have covered so that you will get some idea. Okay. And coming to that in Helm 3, right? First, we are discussing about Helm 3. In this particular Helm 3, what is Helm 3? Why do we require Helm? And also like without and with Helm chart, what is the difference between both? And also how do we install Helm? What is the difference between Helm 2 and Helm 3? How do we install Helm 3 in both Linux and Windows? I have covered both so that once we complete these topics, right, you will get to know like, oh, okay, what major purpose of using Helm and what is the major difference between Helm 2 and Helm 3? How do we install Windows and Linux? Okay, and also we will discuss about, Helm 3 commands as well. In this particular Helm 3, how do we create a Helm chart and also Helm install command, Helm list, Helm status, history command, upgrade command, how do we roll back if we want, and how do we uninstall the specific release. Okay, and also Helm get command, show command, Helm env command, and also a few more commands we are discussing in this particular course that related to Helm template, Helm lint, Helm package, Helm dependency, Helm repo, Helm search, Helm plugin, Helm completion, and Helm test command. These are the Helm 3 related commands. Once you complete these Helm 3 commands, right, if you get anything related to Helm, you can easy to use these Helm 3 commands and you can deploy your application and also you can upgrade your application easily. Okay, if you want, you can roll back as well. And the next thing is in Helm 3 also I can show you like how do we convert Kubernetes YAML files into Helm chart and how do we deploy those application and application in Helm Kubernetes using Helm chart, and also how do we pass the environment variables in a Helm chart, and also how do we pass multiple values files in Helm chart, how do we deploy. Let's take an example, dev qa uat. You can create a different YAML files and we can deploy wherever required. Example, if you want to deploy in dev, if you want to deploy in qa, if you want to deploy in uat prod, pre-prod, right, we can deploy. How do we do? And also I showcase like how do we deploy sample application using Helm 3. Okay, understand, right? These are the Helm 3 related commands. And also, right, some of the organizations are still using Helm 2. So you should be aware of at least a basic idea about Helm 2. What is the major difference? And also I have covered Helm 2 related commands as well. What is Helm 2 and installation of Helm 2 in both Linux and Windows as well. How do we do? Okay, and also Helm 2 related commands also I have covered: Helm version, Helm lint, int, init, Helm create, Helm install, Helm list, Helm status, Helm upgrade, Helm rollback, Helm history, Helm inspect, Helm delete, and also a few more commands related to Helm git, Helm get, Helm template, Helm verify, Helm dependency, Helm lint as well, Helm repo. Okay, these are the Helm 2 related commands. Remember, some in case if they are using, wherever you are attending the interview, right? If they are using Helm 2, right, they may ask question related to Helm 2. You should be aware of and you can easy to crack the interview as well. That's why I have covered both Helm 2 and Helm 3. Apart from that, like and also I have showcased like Helm projects as well. There I have showcased 3 projects. One is how do we deploy application in Kubernetes using a Helm chart and fetching image from Docker Hub related image. How do we do? And also same thing, if our Docker image is available in ECR, how do we deploy our application using Helm chart in Kubernetes and fetching image from ECR as well. And also I have showcased like using Helm chart, how do we install and configure the Jenkins and Kubernetes. I have showcased 3 Helm charts, 3 Helm projects as well. Okay, clear, right? And one more thing, guys, if anyone planning to enroll the Helm Zero to Hero series, you can go to the Google and you can search Tech World with Murali. Here we have a Tech World with Murali. Here we have a Helm chart, complete Helm course Zero to Hero series. Click this one. Okay, you can enroll a 1 year plan. You can use specific related to 1 year plan. Yeah, currently for 1 year plan, right, I have given that 50% discount. Here you can select the specific course, not only Helm, DevOps, AWS also. Here you can select the specific 1 year plan and click the enroll. And here it will ask your coupon code. Okay, you can use DevOps 50 coupon code. Here you can add coupon code, and here you can type it DevOps 50. Okay, to get 50% discount. Okay, if you see here, basically it is 1 year plan is the $14, but if you can use DevOps 50 coupon code to get 50% discount. It means like it is $7 only. Okay, you can use this particular coupon code and you can enroll the 1 year plan. And remember one thing, this is the one year plan is limited offer only. If anyone planning to enroll, please try to enroll as soon as possible. And one more thing, remember, in case if you are if you are learning Helm from my videos, right? Please don't skip, even though if you are aware of, try to watch at least fast forward. The reason I'm telling, right, I have covered everything from scratch and also real-time level, where exactly we will be used, where exactly we won't be used, and also if they ask interview level, how do we explain everything. I have covered each and every video. So please don't skip, at least try to watch fast forward, even though if you are aware of Helm related topics. Okay, understand that? Fine. Still, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn, Instagram, Telegram, and also we have a YouTube channel also. You can subscribe there. Okay. And in case if you are if you are enrolling the course, right, if you are facing any issue, you can directly reach out to me via WhatsApp or Instagram. WhatsApp, or you can directly call me for enroll related. Okay. Understand that? Still, if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video. Thank you.